So for $20 I got 8.5 pounds of picnic shoulders and 2 pieces of picnic shoulder pork. And let's see what I have from this amount. I never threw away even a little piece. So first of all, 2 bones, not a big size, and there's some meat. This is I left for borscht or any kind of soup I'm gonna prepare. Then of course I have a nice approximately 2.5 pounds 2 pounds of nice pieces of meat for shashki balls, and I'll be sharing with you a recipe how I make in a simple way a marinade for shashki balls. I have a beautiful 2 parts for schnitzels, or maybe I can roast it, I don't know. It's like lion pork, very similar, but it's nice shoulder part and it's quite big, so definitely will make schnitzels. And here I have approximately 1.5 pounds of little pieces of meat. I usually fry with some onion and mix with pasta. It's so delicious. This recipe is so simple but very delicious, and I'll show you in other video. So what else did I? Here there are 3 pounds of little pieces of meat. I fry them, not too much actually. I try to cook them a little bit because I make my own homemade food for my dog, especially for mornings, and I usually mix with rice with a little bit of carrot and some other type of meat. And this is the fat part. The back and the shoulder do not have a lot of fat, but anyway I never threw it away, so it's approximately 2 pounds of fat with skin. And I make homemade lard, and homemade lard, it's something really delicious. I used to cook as well, and I'll show you in another video how actually I make lard. Going through the deficit of products and starvation and actually food that you can get having coupons, not even like a special coupons to get food in Ukraine, especially after the collapse of Soviet Union. I really appreciate everyday's food, and I don't throw away any piece of food, and that's why my garbage bag or the bag for organic food, it's quite often empty because we hardly use it.